Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how you can personalize a child's quilt with chenille. This is my taffy pole quilt. It's a simple, quick quilt to make. It makes a great child's quilt that I personalized for my grandson Noah, and I do have kits available if you're interested. So you can order that and then personalize the child's quilt of your own with chenille. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To personalize your children's quilt, I have a large border. I've used a simple quilt. I'm going to come a 1/2 inch down from the top here. I'm using a chalk pencil, but use the kind that will show up on your fabric. Then from that 1/2 inch that I came down, I'm also going to make a line down here. I'm just making, like, remember in school where you had the line to practice your handwriting? That's what I'm making. And then, like, this would be the dotted line. I'm going to go 3 inches here to make the line in between so I know where my little letters go. And then I'm going to use that line here to just kind of sketch out the name. So I'm writing Noah. That's my new grandson. And I'm going to do my O here. I'm going to go where that halfway line is to make the O. Come down and make my A. And my H. I'm going to go clear up to the top line. Come down up to that middle line. So I have my Noah. Then I'm going to take some chenille. I've got a neutral color here. This is the natural color. Just use what you like best with your quilt. And I'm just going to take some glue. Just use the glue that you have. I apologize that it doesn't show up very well on here, but I can barely see it myself. But I'm going to take that glue. I'm going to go along that line just a little bit. Get me some glue there. And then I'm going to line that chenille onto that line. Go a little bit. And then just to set it, and take my mini iron and set that glue. I'm just going to do that in sections there. So I'm going to take it a little bit farther. Take my iron and set it. It's my N. Come over to my O. So once we get that glued on there, we're going to take it to the sewing machine. We're going to sew in the middle of the chenille. I'm going to do 2 layers of chenille. So once I get this one sewn on, I'm going to do another layer over the top of it because it will just make it more fluffy. So I've got my 2 layers. Can you see? Here's a place where you can see I've got the 2 layers sewn on. Now we're going to throw it in the washing machine. It's great if it has an agitator, and then we're just going to wash it and dry it, and I'll show you what it looks like. And here is the personalized children's quilt. The chenille is all fuzzy and nice. I've lined it with minky on the back so it's nice and snuggly. I will put a link to the chenille and the glue that I used, along with a link for the kits if you want to make those. Make sure you share what you make with me. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.